The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Your Subaru comes equipped with Android Auto and allows you to safely utilize certain Android features with your vehicle. Before using Android Auto with your Subaru, please ensure that you have updated your phone to the latest operating system and that you have updated all the apps you intend to use with Android Auto. Android Auto might not function correctly if one of the apps is outdated or having an issue. You can update your apps in the Google Play Store through your phone. Please make sure Hey Google is turned on in your Android settings. To connect your phone to your Subaru, you will need a USB-C cable. To start using Android Auto, connect your USB-C cable to your phone and then to either USB port located directly below the head unit. When prompted, enable Android Auto. You have the option to press Don't Show Again, then press Yes. Your Subaru may let you know that Android Auto requires setup. Your phone will guide you through the next steps. To ensure your safety, you'll be prompted to engage the parking brake on your Subaru before continuing. This is located next to the shifter. With the parking brake engaged, your Android will let you know what features will be enabled. Press Continue. You may get a prompt, Bluetooth connection required. Please follow the steps to connect your Android via Bluetooth to your Subaru to get the most from Android Auto. You can customize your Android Auto experience in the settings of your Android phone. Find and open the Android Auto app on your phone. Press Settings. Under General, select Customize Launcher. Customize. Here you can enable and disable the apps that work with Android Auto and rearrange their order. To activate Google Assistant, press and hold the voice recognition button on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, or simply say, Hey Google.